In the past, I've had great success pressure washing filthy engine parts to bring them back to very presentable appearance. These are the engine brackets of the Red Projects engine, and this is the pressure washer I've had for a number of years now. Let's see what they look like. One of the brackets came out quite acceptable, the other didn't make much of a dent in how disgusting it's appearing. This is going to need to be media blasted. I mean, you could use it as it is, but I really want this engine to look as good as it is outside on the inside. This is the air conditioner compressor bracket that has the crankcase ventilation hose integrated into it. Early M103s don't use this. This does have an 103 part number, so it makes me believe that the later ones might use it. And I'm sure I'll get a hard time for this, but I gave this a go as well. This is the dead airflow sensor of the Red engine that came with the car as a spare part. It was garbage anyway, but as you can see, pressure washing it has made it look quite acceptable. I will have a go at using this with a new potentiometer. I have dried it out immediately after washing it, so there's zero chance of corrosion happening now. I'm quite impressed with how well that's cleaned up. I will have the bits and pieces CAD plated too.